is LEGOLAND Passholder News.
Welcome back to LEGOLAND Passholder News, everything you need to know that we didn't want to write out in an email. I'm LEGOLAND superfan Bianca.
And I am former professional news guy and current theme park aficionado, Scott Weiss. It's the biggest mystery here at LEGOLAND Florida Resort. What is hiding behind the big blue wall? And now we go to our reporter in the field, Sam.
This is the future home of LEGOLAND Florida Resort, and they will have sharks!
Sharks?
Well, sharks indeed. But it's more than just sharks, right? Sea Life Aquarium is an all-new aquarium coming to LEGOLAND Florida Resort in the fall of 2024, featuring interactive exhibits and underwater adventures.
And reef sharks and bamboo sharks and...
Where families will embark on a voyage of oceanic exploration, culminating in the first theme park under the sea. It's the only place in the world with an exhibit like...
And gray reef sharks and...
And yes, plenty of sharks for all you shark enthusiasts out there. To be honest with you, Bianca, I'm a little afraid of sharks.
I love sharks. I'm not afraid of them at all.
Wow. Next up, we have a hotly anticipated event returning to the park in 2024, the return of NINJAGO Weekends.
Oh my gosh, I went last year and it was so fun. I met Naya and there were guys with drums and a bunch of cool acrobat tumbler ninjas. I got to learn spinjitzu and I built a giant Lego Cobra and I got Ninja Star ice cream.
Whew, I'm out of breath. Still ahead, as I'm trying to keep up with you. I think that covers it. NINJAGO Weekends, coming back to LEGOLAND Florida in January and February. What? Well, Bianca, I'm just getting word that our reporter in the field has one more Sea Life Florida update for us. Go ahead, Sam.
Oh, and also they're gonna have epaulette sharks too.
Thank you for that timely update, Sam. And finally, LEGOLAND Florida is hitting the gas on a new attraction coming next year. Here's Pierce with this speedy report.
I'm standing on the site of the future Ferrari Build and Race, the only place where kids can race a miniature Lego Ferrari, starting in spring 2024.
Pierce, what else can guests expect over there?
There's gonna be a life-size Lego Ferrari too.
You can't race that one, though.
Unfortunately.
But it's still an awesome addition to the park. 2024 is really shaping up to be a great time to be a LEGOLAND Florida Passholder, isn't it, Bianca?
It sure is, Scott. After the break, why apple fries are perfectly acceptable breakfast food.